The Cook-n-Home non-stick frying pan set is like having 3 trusty sidekicks in your kitchen. This trio includes 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch skillets. They are ready to tackle any cooking adventure you throw their way. The turquoise color adds a nice pop to your stovetop. These pans are more than just pretty faces, and they aim to make cooking simpler. These Cook-n-Home non-stick frying pans boast a nonstick surface. This feature is a game changer when you are cooking breakfast. Imagine your bacon sliding off effortlessly. No more stuck food or frustrating messes. Cleaning up is also a breeze, which saves you precious time. The base of each pan is designed for even heating. This means your food cooks uniformly, without hot spots. The vendedor likely knows this is a key selling point. The Cook-n-Home non-stick frying pans are also induction compatible. This adds to their versatility in different kitchens. The handles are designed to stay cool. They offer a comfortable grip, protecting your wrist as you cook. While they may not have a fancy signature look, their functionality speaks volumes. Payment for this set feels worthwhile for the convenience they offer. These pans truly aim to simplify your cooking experience, one meal at a time. Pros: simple to clean, 3 useful sizes, induction compatible, even heat, prevents hot spots. Comfortable handle, stays cool handle, hanging hole, dishwasher safe, oven safe. To 350 degrees F. Cons: may scratch easily, not metal utensil safe. Limited oven safe temperature, non-induction compatible. Durability may be a concern, uneven heating possible, handle may get hot, lighter weight might feel less sturdy. Features: non-stick coating, set of 3 pans, 8-inch size, 9.5-inch size, 11-inch size, frying pans. Skillets, sauté pans, fry pans, induction ready. This Cook-n-Home set has 3 non-stick frying pans. The pans are 8, 9.5, and 11 inches in size. They can be used for frying and sautéing food. The non-stick coating helps food not stick and makes cleaning easy. These pans can be used on induction stovetops. This Cook-n-Home non-stick frying pan set has 3 different sizes: 8, 9.5, and 11 inches, to help with various cooking tasks and is safe to use on induction stovetops. They heat food evenly to prevent burning and have comfortable handles that stay cool, plus a hole for hanging them up. These pans are easy to clean, can go in the dishwasher, and are oven safe up to 350 degrees F. But you should not use metal tools on them because they can scratch easily, and the non-stick might not last a very long time. Also, they might not heat perfectly evenly. The handles could still get hot sometimes, and their lighter weight might make them feel less strong.